everyone. So till now we have seen so many automated libraries like Pandas profiling, SweetViz and all. So today we'll see third automated library, that is AutoViz. So this is also a very useful library which will automate our visualization and statistical part. Okay. So this also generates the report which covers the overview of the data set. It will draw the scatter plot for continuous variable. It will draw the bar plot for categorical variables. It will draw the heat maps, and it will find out what are categorical, what are numerical variables like that. So let's understand how it works. So for using AutoViz library, we have to install it using pip install AutoViz. Then after installing, from autoviz underscore class, we have to import autoviz underscore class. After importing, we have to create an object and we have to call our data set. Okay, so here we are using our, we can say Titanic data set. So let's see first what our data set is. So this is our data set. So this our data sets have this values: passenger ID, name, ticket, fare, cabin, age, number of siblings, number of parents, P class, AMBAG. So based on this, the output variable is the survived. Okay, so let's see about the data set first. So this is our data set. So this survived is our target class. So 0 and 1. 1 is the person survived, and 0 the person is not survived. So like that, this is our Titanic data set. So this we have created our report with the help of AutoViz library. So let's understand the report. First, it has given the shape of our data set. Then it has find out the independent and dependent columns. The important thing that AutoViz do is it gives us the comment, the suggestions, what we can do with these particular column. So for example, passenger ID, so it is a possible ID column. So the suggestion given by it is drop. Yeah, we do that. Basically, ID columns and employee ID like roll number for student, all these things are never impacting our target variable. So we are dropping these things, right? So like that, passenger ID, it is giving us the suggestion to drop it. Similarly, column name, again, the suggestion is to drop it, right? Then ticket number is there. Then fare, it has given the suggestion that it is a skewed column. So either cap or drop the possible outliers. So it's the suggestion given to us that drop the possible outliers, right? Then cabin. So cabin, it is giving us a suggestion that fill the missing value, right? And it is a fixed mixed data types. For age, it is giving us again the suggestion that missing values are there, so fill it. For this column, AMBAG, again, it is giving us fill the missing values. Like that, it will give the suggestion for each and every input column. So it will give us data type, it will give us null values, percentage of null values, like that. Then when we'll go down, it will give us that one variable removed since they are ID or low information variable. The ID is low information variable, so passenger ID is removed from the analysis. So see here, when we come to the scatter plot, we know that scatter plot is for continuous variable. So we have age and fare as continuous variables. So it has made the scatter plot for that, right? So it has automatically detected the continuous variable and scatter plot is made for them. Then KDE, distribution of numerical variable, is also available in this. Then violin plot is also available in this. Then heat map is also available. It will automatically take the numerical columns and give us the heat map. So we have age and fare as numerical columns, so it will give. Then it will give us the bar chart for categorical variable. So here from drop down, we can find out which thing you want, which categorical variable you want, and among which categorical variables you want to see the bar graph. So we have selected number of siblings and age in the y-axis. So we can see that number of siblings here. So if we have one number of sibling, two number of sibling, so correspondingly average age for each and every number of siblings. Like that, it has created the report. And last, it will give us time to run the report, that is 3 seconds. So like this, AutoViz is a very important and useful automated library for our EDA part. Thank you. Bye-bye. So that's all for AutoViz. We'll come with more EDA libraries in our next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.